Hey, welcome back to our channel Tutorials by Nitin. I hope that you all are doing well. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to add different images to your text in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the tutorial. Create a canvas or document 190/20 by 180 pixels. Now create a text. I am using Poppins font. Align this text as a center. Fine. Now just drag your images. I have these 5 images which are downloaded from freepik.com. Now drag over the document. Press enter. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now select all the images by pressing shift and transform to this size. Press enter. Now just select all the images and press Ctrl, Alt and G to create clipping mask. Now select only first image and before this you have to select other 4 images and slide to right side. Just in case we have to first set the image on V. Press Ctrl T to transform the image. Like this and press enter. Now select the second image and little bit smaller. Or you can also enlarge the image like this. Press enter. Now select the third image. Where is our third image? Select other 2 and slide to right side. Select the third image. Here is our third image. Now select the fourth image. Press Ctrl T to transform. Here is our fourth image. Now select the fifth image. Press T to transform. Here is our fifth image. Now what we have to do, select marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool. Shortcut of rectangular marquee tool is M. Now select first image and select only V like this and create a mask, or you can say layer mask. Now select the second image and create a layer mask. Select the third image and create a layer mask. Select the fourth image and create a layer mask. Select the fifth image and create a layer mask. Now select all the images including text. Press Ctrl G to group the element, all the elements. Right click on group, blending options. Now you can adjust the drop shadow. There is some decrease the opacity. Now you can create a background. Background should be something like red. Like this, you can create a text effect with your photos. I hope that you guys have enjoyed my today's tutorial. Please hit the like button, and for any query, comment down below. Hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay home.